Today, we have a new real-life English story. Sarah is living in America, and she is learning English every day. Today is a busy day at work, but something is wrong. Sarah does not feel well.
Oh no, I don't feel good today. My head hurts a lot. I think I have a headache.
Sarah sits at her desk and tries to continue working, but her headache becomes stronger. Her friend Alex notices that Sarah looks tired.
Hi, Alex. I don't feel very well. I have a bad headache.
Alex is worried and wants to help her. Maybe you should go to a pharmacy. You can ask for some medicine in English.
That's a good idea, but I don't know many English words for medicine.
Don't worry. You can speak slowly. The pharmacist will help you. After work, Sarah walks to a nearby pharmacy. She feels a little nervous. This is her first time asking for medicine in English.
I can do it. I just need to practice my English.
Sarah enters the pharmacy. The store is clean and bright. There are many shelves with medicine and health products. A friendly pharmacist comes to help her.
Hello. Excuse me. I need some help, please.
Hello! Of course. How can I help you today?
I have a headache. My head hurts.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you had the headache?
Since this morning. It started when I was at work.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't. I only have a headache.
Do you have a cough or a sore throat?
No, I don't have those problems.
The pharmacist understands Sarah's problem. She looks for the right medicine. The pharmacist brings Sarah some headache medicine. Sarah wants to learn how to use it correctly.
Thank you. Is this good for a headache?
Yes, this medicine can help with headaches.
Do I need a prescription?
No, you can buy it without a prescription.
Great. How often should I take it?
Take one tablet every 6 hours.
Should I take it with food?
Yes, take it after eating. Also, drink plenty of water.
Okay. Thank you for explaining everything. Sarah has another question. She wants to be safe. Will this medicine make me sleepy? Some people may feel tired. If you feel sleepy, don't drive. Okay. I understand. Thank you for your help.
Sarah takes the medicine to the checkout counter. She feels happy because she used English successfully.
How much is the medicine?
It is $12.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes. Please tap your card here.
Thank you.
Sarah leaves the pharmacy and walks home. She feels proud because she solved her problem in English.
Today was a good lesson. Now I know how to speak English at a pharmacy.
Great job. Let's review some useful phrases. I have a headache. I need some medicine. How can I help you? Do I need a prescription? How often should I take it? How much is it? Can I pay by card? Keep practicing English every day. Small steps make big progress. See you next time on Planet English Hub.